What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thanks so much for coming by. Sorry, I know I'm sweaty. It is like 95 degrees out and it's 9 p.m. I know, I don't even climate change, whatever. But today's video, this is a super crazy update that I just got. Yeah, I don't know if you guys have gotten this, but Lyft is now telling drivers where they are gonna be going when they get a ride request. I think that's brand new. I mean, I've never heard of anything like this. If you guys don't know, if you're new drivers or whatever, you don't know where you're gonna go. The only time you kind of do is if the ride is 45 minutes plus, it'll say 45 minutes plus, but otherwise, you know, you have no idea where your passenger might be going. You know, it could be going in a totally opposite direction. But now, yeah, now you will know where you're gonna be going, the direction at least. Maybe not the exact address, but yeah, so I'm gonna get into that. Before I go over all of that, leave the video a thumbs up, please. If you are a driver and you want to know where you're going, leave the video a thumbs up. Or if you just drive for Uber or Lyft, or even if you just watch one of my videos here and there, give the video a thumbs up. It helps me so much. So, you know, really quickly, I want to get this video out as soon as possible. All right, so as you can see, I just opened up my app right here and it says we're piloting a new trip into feature. It says, we've heard your frustration about trip info and are now trying out a feature to give you more control over your rides. If you maintain a 90% acceptance rate, you'll see the passenger's direction as well as the length of the trip. So honestly, I mean, right off the bat, 90% acceptance rate, that means you do need to accept 9 out of 10 rides. So honestly, it kind of does defeat the purpose. Even if you know where you're going, you know, you can't really cancel rides because you do have to accept 9 out of 10 rides. So yeah, I mean, that is a little funny to me, first off, but at the same time, it is cool that you kind of know the general direction. At least you can kind of plan ahead a little bit. But yeah, at the same time, it doesn't really help that much because you still have to accept the ride. If somebody's going in one direction, I don't want to go there, I still have to accept to maintain that 90% so I can see my feature rides. Maybe 9 times out of 10 or 1 time out of 10 you can, you know, not accept it if you really don't want to go there. But yeah, let's dive into this and see. So I'm just gonna click on that button and then take you into my app with me. You know, obviously you guys can do this too, but I'm just gonna react right now. Acceptance rate. Your acceptance rate is a % of ride requests, blah blah blah. We use acceptance rate to determine driver eligibility, blah blah blah. When giving Lyft rides, you have the right to accept. How your ride rate is calculated, all that stuff. I just want to go to the spot where it says the direction of your trip. Lower acceptance rates. Let's see, simple acceptance rate math, 50 rides, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it actually doesn't say anything yet at all. So I guess this is so brand new that they don't say anything at all, but I guess I will make an update video once they do release all of that. Maybe I can just type into Google really quickly, Lyft shows destination to drivers. Let's see if there's any articles on that. No, so I actually am the first one reporting on this. So nobody else has actually made this. So this is actually a huge change because for me, I know one of the most annoying things is that I never know where I'm gonna go. And like, many of you, you know, I drive part-time, so a lot of times I do have another job to get to, and so a lot of times I do have to call up the passenger and say, hey, you know, where are you headed? I want to make sure I have enough time to get you there. But now I can actually see where they will be headed, which is nice. So I do appreciate that, but at the same time, 90% is really high. And so you're pretty much gonna have to accept almost every ride anyway, but we'll see. Maybe this is a step in the right direction. Let me know what you guys think about this update. Do you think it's good? Do you think it's bad? Do you not really care? Do you think it's still not that great because of the high acceptance rate? All right, that's it for today's video. Leave a thumbs up. Comment down below any of your thoughts, any updates that you would like to see. If there's anything you think that Lyft or Uber can do better, let me know in the comment section below. You know, let's try to instill change into these companies and apps to make a better experience for the passengers as well as you guys, the drivers, or you know, if you're a passenger watching this as well. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like. I will see you all next time. Bye guys.